ati batigeze ekyobukyobwa. A very good evening to fellow Zimbabweans. This is Comrade Nyatimba Mtota speaking to you. We had promised that we would come back to you to chart the way forward. That is what we promised. We apologize. We did not do it in the time promised. We delayed by a day. It was because of technical glitches by our newsmen, and also the regime had the counterintelligence that we wanted to produce this thing. So they were disturbing a lot. However, we are not going to be kind with the regime. Never. I must also apologize on the onset for the high-pitched voice. It's a voice affected with some feelings of anger, not anger against Zimbabwe, but anger against the regime led by Mnangagwa. So today I'm coming to you with a full pact of what is happening. You will notice that by now CAB3 is on suspension. There is a lot happening in the background. And we feel that you need to know. But we shall not disclose a lot because the regime will be coming back with counterintelligence. We had done very well to give notice to Mnangagwa to stop CAB3 or to consider stepping down himself. Indicators are that he did not take heed of our call. Now is the time to lawfully act, Zimbabwe. We beg you. We charge Mnangagwa of several misdeeds, which I think I must summarize here for the nation to know why it is necessary for this man to stop CAB3 or to step down. He is now bringing CAB3, which is draconian and meant to create a dynasty full of all his children, even some of them who know nothing. They occupy key positions in government. The wife is there, the children are there, every relative of Mnangagwa are there. So by voting him in, we voted the whole clan to lead Zimbabwe, which is not right. Things must balance. We charge Mnangagwa of nepotism. The clause "vene," which means the honors. Now there are some people in Zimbabwe who are considered to be honors of Zimbabwe. The rest of us, we are being considered to be aliens to Zimbabwe. I don't think that is right. This clause, he jokingly throws it in as if he's joking, yet he is seriously speaking about what he's doing. Key positions in the government are being taken by people from Masvingo. I come from Masvingo myself, but that phrase does not unite a nation. When others are just aliens. Mnangagwa plunders national resources. No report is given about how much gold is produced, how much lithium is produced, how much is in the reserve bank, how much of the lithium has been sold, how much was the retention. These things used to happen even during Smith regime and even during Mugabe's regime. There was a government gazette which would tell the rest of the country as to how much of these are in the reserve bank, including cash. How much was paid to this and how much is left. That is no longer done because it's now a country of Vene and not a country of Zimbabweans. Mnangagwa is plotting to create a dynasty by putting all his children and relatives in government. You see, if all the guns are in the hands of the child, Mnangagwa is ruling The other son is holding all the money for the country. What it means is that even if our money is stolen, we have no way to report. Because the person with the guns is the child. What else can we do? Mnangagwa is charged of plotting to remove with his savior from government. All Zimbabweans, including children, know that Chiwenga saved Mnangagwa. There's nobody who does not know this. This is true. But he is the number one enemy of this nation today, despite his efforts to save life. A life that continues to exist.
Kulian TV, Team VAT. Asivanu achishamsika. Kulian TV, aichatzika. Saka, subscribe, also like. Nechawana jisapa na chichazusha. Everybody say Kulian, 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 yeah. Information need brilliant, 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 yeah. Everybody say Kulian, Kulian.